language war between the centre and the Stalin government has been the top priority right now. Opposition's voter fraud claim is looming over the parliament. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan hit out at Tamil Nadu government over their refusal to implement the national education policy, and especially because of the three-language issue. The minister called the Dravidam Munnetra Karagam as uncivilized and undemocratic. Pradhan is claiming the DMK government is toying with the future of Tamil Nadu students on this. But the uproar happened when opposition MPs staged a walkout. They are demanding a discussion on the policy, on proposed delimitation exercise, Manipur violence and other issues. Now, MK Stalin, of course not in the parliament, but then gave a statement charging at Dharmendra Pradhan using some strong words. He says this is arrogant behavior on the part of the Union Education Minister. He's accusing Dharmendra Pradhan of insulting the people of Tamil Nadu.
They are not committed to Tamil Nadu students. They are ruining the future of Tamil Nadu students. Their only job is to raise language passion. They are doing politics. They are doing mischief. This is unfortunate in the federal state. They can't put allegations against government of India. They are misleading nation. They are doing injustice. They are doing injustice to students of Tamil Nadu. They are ruining the future of Tamil Nadu students. They are not doing justice. They are undemocratic, uncivilized. They are devouring the right of Tamil Nadu students to have a pan-Indian education model.
Very pained and hurt that the minister, in his reply in Parliament today, has called the members of Parliament, the Tamil Nadu government and the people of Tamil Nadu uncivilized. The minister from Tamil Nadu also was there in the delegation, and we had clearly said that we have issues with the NEP. We cannot accept it in full because three-language policy is not acceptable to Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
And, sir, the truth is, the CM of Tamil Nadu has written to the minister and the Prime Minister saying that we have issues with the NEP, it cannot be accepted in total.
Chief Minister has been saying that all those who are doing states who have done good population control, they will be placed at a very terrible disadvantage.
Yes, that is a concern. That's a concern we have. That is a concern we have. In 1976, when the delimitation exercise was postponed to 2002, the reason was that the birth control progress has to be seen, whereas it has not been implemented in some of the states. We did that, and for that sake, we cannot be victimized and punished. We cannot be victimized and punished. So, we want a fair representation. They have to find evolve a new strategy. How it should be done.
There is no advantage in learning a third language, Hindi as a compulsory language, and there is no data which suggests that children need to be taught three languages in school at the formative age. Every time the BJP talks about a third language, they are only talking about Hindi. And what will happen is, if after some time we accept NEP, they will say that we don't have adequate Hindi teachers in Tamil Nadu. So since we are funding it, we will send you teachers from UP, Bihar to Tamil Nadu, who will obviously be very well aligned with their own political ideology, and they will be teaching very poisonous stuff to our children. They might even say that Godse is a hero and Mahatma Gandhi must be vilified. We will never accept Hindi imposition.
एक आगे प्रश्न हिंदी इम्पोजिशन को लेकर जो है डीएमके कह रहा है कि हिंदी इम्पोज किया जा रहा है तमिलनाडु के अंदर नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी का
मैं एज एन एक्टर हूं, मैंने हर भाषा में काम किया। मुझे तमिल, हिंदी, मराठी, बंगला, तेलुगु, कन्नड़ा सारी फिल्में मैंने की है। मुझे आसानी होती है, मेरे फैन फॉलोइंग ज्यादा है। वही साउथ के लोग जब यहाँ पर आए थे उनके लिए बड़ी दिक्कत होती थी कुंभ में, क्योंकि उनको हिंदी नहीं आती थी। यही इनकी इस तरह की राजनीति नेताओं के वजह से वो बेचारे लोग भी त्रस्त हो गए जिनको हिंदी सीखना है, लेकिन इन लोग अपनी राजनीति रोटी सेकने में उनको दूर कर रहे हैं।